Ever wondered how to sign numbers in Nigerian Sign Language? Well, you've come to the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to Baby's Media. Today we're diving into something useful and super exciting. Yes, how to sign numbers in Nigerian Sign Language. Whether you're just starting your NSL journey or looking to improve your skill, or you're just curious about how numbers are signed in Nigerian Sign Language, well, you're in the right place. Numbers are a huge part of daily conversations, from telling time to exchanging phone contacts to sharing address and to bargaining in the market. Numbers are very much important, and that is why I'm bringing it to your screen to teach you how to sign numbers in NSL so you can make it part of your next conversation. So guys, stick with me as I break it down to simple, easy to follow with on how to sign numbers in Nigerian Sign Language. And you'll be glad you did, because by the end of this video, you'll be signing numbers like a pro. Before we start, I would like you to know that numbers are continuous and infinite. That is, they go on and on and on forever. They are endless. And once you add one number to a number, it keeps adding, it keeps adding. Ready to sign? Let's jump right in. One is signed using your index finger on your dominant end. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. So, can we sign 1 to 5 together? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's move on to 6 to 10. So, 6. The number 6 is signed using your pinky finger and your thumb touching each other like this. 6. 7. 7. Your ring finger touching your thumb like this. 7. 'Your middle finger touching your thumb. 8. 9. Your index finger touching your thumb. 9. 9. At this point, many people get confused because we have the letter F, which is signed like this. For your F, it's together like this. Please don't be confused. F is together. These 3 fingers are together like this. You can see. Yeah. But for your number 9, they're going to be separated. Just 9. 9. 10. It's just like your letter A, but this time around you're just going to shake it. 10. So can we sign 1 to 10 together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we move on to 11 to 20. 11 is just like you're signing the number 1, but this time you're just going to flick it. Just flick it out. 11 or 11. 12. Same applies to 12. So 12. 13. 13 is just like the number 3, but this time around you're going to be facing it down. So 13. 14, 14, 15, 15, 16. It's just like number 6, but you're just going to flick it. 16, 16. Same applies to all. 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20. So let's sign 11 to 20 again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's move on to 21 to 30. 21. 21. It's like you're signing 20 and 1. So 21 or 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 or 100 or 100. That is 100. So 100 or 100. 1000. T, your T letter. So 1000 or 1000. 1000 or 1000. Now there is a common rule when signing numbers that are identical, like numbers that are the same. Yes, just like saying 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, and on and on and on till 99. So it's just going to bounce. 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. 1 million, 1 million. You know, 1,000 is just once, but million will be twice. So 1 million or 1 million. The difference is 1 is just your 4 fingers twice forward like this, million, or the second option is using these 3 fingers, just like saying M for million. So it's just going to bounce twice. So whichever goes for you. So 1 million or 1 million. 1 billion, 1 billion. So 1 billion, 1 billion. This time around you're going to go 3 times. 1,000 goes once, million goes twice, billion goes 3 times. So 1 billion, 1 billion. Now let's sign a really long number like 250,000. We have 250,000. 500,000. So 500,000. 500,000. 755,000. So we have 755,000. 3,450,000. 3,450,000. I hope you got that. And that's it, guys, on how to sign numbers in Nigerian Sign Language. Now you know how to sign numbers in Nigerian Sign Language. If you found this video helpful and you're confident that you can use numbers in your next daily conversation in NSL, well, that's good. But if not, you can go back and rewatch this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more easy and practical sign language lessons. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.